Mother of all Manila, Fort Santiago, an episode of series, Top 10 Indispensable Intramuros Philippine Stops. Mike Aquino. Built in 1571 on the smoldering remains of a palisaded Tagalog fort, Fort Santiago is arguably where Manila all began. The fort changed hands several times over the centuries. The British took over for a short period in the 1700s. The Americans used Fort Santiago as a military installation in the early part of the 20th century, and the Japanese used it as a prison and torture chamber during their World War II occupation of the Philippines. Fort Santiago was heavily damaged by the American offensive at the end of the war. Today, Fort Santiago is on the mend, with sections having been remade into tourist-friendly areas. The Baluartillo de San Francisco Javier in front of the Plaza Moriones Park now houses a café, art galleries, and the Intramuros Visitors Center. The Rizal Shrine inside Fort Santiago immerses visitors in the life and death of the Philippine national hero, Jose Rizal. Visitors can also climb up the walls facing the Pasig River for a panoramic, but not really pretty, view of the city of Manila. And avid souvenir hunters can visit Manila Collectible Company at the Baluartillo de San Francisco Javier. 1. Address: Fort Santiago, Intramuros. Location on Google Maps.